I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is WP Funnel. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to WP Funnel Dashboard. Click on Edit. Now click on three dots in the top right corner. Then click on Webhook. Add webhook. Give a name. And paste here the webhook URL. Select Request Method. Select Request Format. Select Webhook Event. Then click on Save. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bid Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select SliceWP. Connect. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. To complete the integrations, you must log into your site. Here are some advanced features. Under the action, click on the checkboxes, choose the status and type. Here is the conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Go to my other user site and fill up the forms with variable data. Submit it. Now go to your SliceWP dashboard. Navigate to the commissions. Here you can see that the commission was added successfully to the user affiliate. Thanks for watching.